Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Thank you to all those who subscribed. Thank you to all those who left a comment. Thank you to all those who gave me a thumbs up. You're great, you're awesome. Yeah. Well, look who has a bun. I don't know if you all can see it. Let me see. Me, I have a bun. I used the sug bun. I used the donut. Yeah, I've never been too sure about using the donut because before my hair couldn't fit the regular size donut and I had to make my own donut, and then everyone else was talking about how small that bun looked, so I haven't done that since. But then yeah, today I was feeling myself, so I've always had the sug bun, the regular size, in my cupboard. I just took it. I was feeling real cool, pulled my hair, got super excited. So yeah, I have a huge forehead. That explains this bun. I don't want you all seeing my forehead now. So yeah, let's get back to business. This video was actually my first product video, and I'll be reviewing the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. This is the only shampoo I have in my stash. This is the only shampoo I've used for close to a year, if not more. Yeah, first time I bought this shampoo, I bought it from a friend. But then this bottle, which is my second bottle, I bought from Urban Mix. You can find their shop on Facebook, Urban Mix. I bought this for 20 cedis. I actually bought this at Fantastic 2014, which was a natural hair event. Yeah, I think it's a good price because of the kind of quality that's in this bottle. I love this shampoo. It's my staple. I don't think I'm ever going to stop using this shampoo. Why do I like this shampoo? I like this shampoo because it's sulfate free. You know, sulfates make the hair dry and then they're sort of stripping. But then because this one is sulfate free, it actually has moisturizing benefits. And then even I feel that after I wash my hair, the bottle says it hydrates and detangles, and I think that's true. This shampoo keeps my hair hydrated. I don't have lots of tangles when I'm washing my hair. I don't know if it's because my hair is short, but I've never had an issue with tangles. So maybe it's a shampoo. I never know. I've never observed it. And I also like that it can be used many ways. I have used it I can use this without pre-pooing and then my hair feels fine. Although I use it after pre-pooing, I can use it without pre-pooing and my hair feels fine. I once washed my hair with just this and I didn't condition afterwards because I'd run out of conditioner. Yes, who runs out of conditioner? Well, I do. Yeah, so I just used this and then used a good amount of leave-in conditioner in it. My hair felt fine, actually. It felt good. It didn't seem disoriented or bad or anything. It just seemed fine. Yeah, so basically I just love how this shampoo makes my hair feel. What I don't like about it is here in Ghana it's hard to find. Most of the time if you want this you have to go for online stores, the ones that ship or import these shampoos, but it's kind of hard to find it in stores. Although last 2 weeks I found this at the mall in Hair Depot, so yeah, so now it's kind of easy to get, but it's not so easy to get. Okay, when I started using this it wasn't so easy to get, so yeah, I like that it lasts. It lasts in the sense that a little goes a long way. I don't have to use too much. It lathers good. It doesn't lather too much. It doesn't make the hair too foamy, but then it lathers good. yeah, I love this shampoo. I'd suggest it to anybody. Currently my only shampoo, my staple. I hope my hair continues to like this, to be honest. Yeah, but about the size, it's 12 ounces and it's 20 cedis, which is quite okay. Some people would think it's expensive, but I think it's a good price. I think it's worth the price. So yeah, I love this shampoo so much. I hope my review was helpful for anyone who was looking for a review on this. It lives up to its expectations. Yeah, I love this shampoo, and I have actually seen other great reviews about this, so I'm sure it's not just me. This shampoo is good enough. Yeah, I love the shampoo. So take care, subscribe, give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, although I prefer thumbs up, so give a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what else you'd like to see on my YouTube. For now, it's going to be reviews and tutorials, but if you have any ideas, leave it. I'd be really glad. Hope you all have an awesome day. Hope you all have a good day. Take care. Stay awesome. Let me show off my bun one more time. Yeah, I love my bun, and I'm feeling awesome in my bun. So yeah, you have a bun. Take care. Bye. Kisses. Mwah.